This is a 1 scoop order for Claudia. She likes Hello Kitty with the smallest hint of Pochacco. Her favorite color is pink. One canvas bag. One notebook. Plus one more. Three pens. Plus two more. Two clear pouches. I swapped one out for this A5 file folder. One eraser. Let's add a blind box pencil to go with it. One memo pad. Plus three more. One sticker. Plus two more. One scenery sticker. Plus two more. One mouse pad. One claw clip. Plus one more. One comb. One plush charm. One mini charm. Let's make it 4. Two pin badges. Plus one more. Two bracelets. Let's swap one out for a plush pencil bag. One tub of squishy. One acrylic clip. Let's add the sticky note first. And let's make it 4 acrylic clips. Okay, Claudia, that's everything for your order. I hope you love everything I chose. Thank you so much.